Hello guys, and welcome back to another episode of Fequiere Fitness TV. I am your host, Daniel Fequiere, health and fitness coach, and today we'll be focusing on some glute and leg workouts for beginners. That's right. Hey, if you have any ideas on future workouts, please comment below and let me know what you'd like to see next. Let's get started. Exercise 1. Donkey kicks left leg. Begin on the floor in an all-four position. Have your knees placed underneath your hips and your hands at shoulder width. With your back straight, keep a 90-degree bend on your left knee. Raise it off the floor and lift up behind you. Have your left knee at the same height as your hip when raised. Lower your left knee down towards the floor underneath your left hip. Immediately repeat the kickback movement using smooth control. Repeat for 100 reps. Exercise 2. Donkey kick right leg. Repeat the same method from the left leg, but now using the right. Repeat this movement for 100 reps. Exercise 3. Side lying leg lifts left leg. Lie down on the right side on the mat. Keep your body in a straight line with your legs extended. Have your legs stacked on top of each other. Place your right arm to cradle your head for support. Place your left hand out in front of you for extra support or on your hip to rest. Raise your left leg and stop raising when you feel the muscle flex. Lower your left leg back down to meet the right leg. That's 1 rep. Complete 100 reps. Exercise 4. Side lying leg lifts right leg. Repeat the same methods from the left leg, but now using the right side. Repeat this movement for 100 reps. Wow guys, we definitely got a great lower body workout today. Great job to all of you guys for completing it. And please comment below and let me know what workouts you'd like us to do next in the future. And don't forget to grab a copy of my ab workout book for women, now available guys at fequierefitness.com. Don't forget to give us a like, and as well guys, dance, 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 dance.